searching for something that I've always wanted, and oh my god, there it is. It's over there. We gotta go get it.
Hello adventurers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
Together we are McPeek Adventures. Danny, what are we up to today?
Today we are at the Tulsa State Fair, and it is our first time coming to this event.
All right, let's go adventuring.
The Tulsa State Fair is the city's largest family event that runs for 11 days each year.
Let's see what kind of shopping we can find in the Made in Oklahoma section.
I bet we're gonna find some awesome stuff in here. Let me get that door for you.
Oh, you're so nice.
Oh, look at this pretty balloon art.
That is sweet.
Oh my gosh, I see some stuff that I really want to go look at.
If you've been following McPeek Adventures for a while, you know that we love supporting small businesses. The Made in Oklahoma building is filled with vendors from all over the state showcasing their goods and services. We got to meet a lot of business owners and had some great conversations. We even found some awesome merchandise to take home with us.
I love this shirt. I'm gonna buy this shirt. Reach Clothing, local brand.
We have chocolate chip, orange creamsicle, life of the party, which is like Oreo with sprinkles, s'mores, red velvet, cinnamon toast crunch, cookies and cream, and lemon.
Okay, what do you got?
Okay, you guys know I'm a sucker for sweets and treats, so I got the Crave Cups Lemon La Vida Loca cookies. Oh my god. So good. You want to try one? Do you guys want to try one? Sorry, you can't.
Adventurers, did you know that the Tulsa State Fair has been around since 1903? That means it's been here for over 120 years.
Holy smokes. That's a lot of years of coming to the Tulsa State Fair.
Yeah, it's older than me.
Have you been to the Tulsa State Fair? Let us know. Sorry, I should have got the door for you.
It's okay. I have been to the Tulsa State Fair as of today.
Well, we're going into the Sage Net Center here to see what's in here. I'm gonna take my sunglasses off.
Want to go buy a hot tub? What is your favorite thing about the Tulsa State Fair so far?
Oh my gosh, I feel like my favorite part is just the magic of it all. Like the rides, you see the rides going in the background and the flags for all the food booths going, and just so many people here enjoying their day. I really love it.
All right, Danny, we're headed into the Livestock complex.
Yes, we are.
If you're looking for a place to cool off while you're here, definitely come inside one of these buildings. We're in the Livestock building right now, and the AC in here feels wonderful.
Fluffy. We are headed into the Super Duty Arena, and we are going to see some animal demonstrations. So let's head on in and see what we see. All right, what's over here? The Great American Petting Farm.
Oh, you ran away. Look at those little guys back there.
They're so cute. Ooh, they were born on September 27th.
That's what, 2 days ago?
Yeah.
Wow. Those are
So
very,
little
very
and
new.
cute. These guys were born on the 26th, or this baby right here. Oh.
Hey, you got another 927 back there too.
A lot of little ones being born. This is a 1970 OSU veterinary museum on wheels.
Hello. Oh, champion. This is the
Wow,
champ.
they're amazing. Show me, I want to tell you something. What's good for the goose is what's good for the gander. Competitive exhibits.
Best of show for quilts. This is pretty cool.
That is very intricate. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, I love this one. This one's my favorite. Reminds me of the tiki room. Cinnamon
First
rolls.
place cinnamon roll.
First place. Must be dang good.
Well, this is cool. If you have a kid, you can sign up for a Kids Can Cook demo, and they let you come through and make a recipe with them. We found the sweets that have won.
Looks delicious.
Ooh, canned goods. Who won pickles? That's what I'm talking about.
I would like to eat one of those peanut butter cookies. They look perfect.
Oh, look at that right beside it. Pecan pie,
Oh.
pecan pie, pecan pie.
Mama says do not say pecan.
A pecan's what you find under my grandma's bed.
Exactly what she told us, and she said that is not how you pronounce it. So from a woman that was raised in Mississippi and then Indiana, do not say pecan, say pecan.
Pecan.
Thank you. Mama will say thank you. I got you, Mama.
Whoa, is that a gourmet s'more? I got sidetracked. What is that?
The label says sandwich, but it does kind of look like a
Baked
s'more.
good sandwich. That's gotta be a s'more. That thing looks delectable. I hear a chainsaw and I see sculptures.
These pumpkins are so cool.
This is like the best thing. That actually reminded me of the
I'm just searching for something that I've always wanted, and oh my god, there it is. It's over there. We gotta go get it. Hi. I would love a pickle dog on a stick, please. That's ketchup and mustard, please. Oh, that's beautiful. I've been wanting one of these for a long time.
$8.
Thank you so much. I'm so excited. Okay, I've seen this item around in the world. I've always wanted to try one. So it is a corn dog, but it is infused with a pickle and a corn dog mixture. So I got it all over my face now, I feel like.
All right, on a scale of 1 to State Fair, where does this rank on your food list?
So while I wanted to try it very much and it was very intriguing to me, I think I would prefer just a regular hot dog or just a regular corn dog, because the warm pickle is just, it's still crunchy, but I feel like it's kind of weird. I like cold pickles, and this is like, it's like fried, so it's warm. So I'm glad I tried it. Definitely an experience.
1 out of 5, what is it?
What out of 5? I would say 3.
Okay, would you buy one again?
I'd rather buy something else, I think, but worth a try. All right, Sawyer found a booth that is piquing his interest. McPeeking his interest. The worst.
Can I get the worst?
The worst. Oh boy.
Gotta get the mustard.
I mean, it's
the worst. All right, this is where I really excel as an adult. I got the worst. With sauerkraut, spicy mustard, a little bit of wind there. Wind gives it extra flavor.
Yeah.
I could eat a bunch of these. This is delicious.
What's on there?
I got sauerkraut, spicy mustard. I think that's it. And the worst itself, the bratwurst.
Yum.
I saw one of my favorites on a sign, so I had to stop and get a cup of the Mexican street corn. Can't wait to dig into this. They have sea lions over here? What? What?
Yes!
There's food and drink options galore. And don't forget the rides. There are 65 rides here this year, and that is pretty impressive. There's live music throughout each day on 4 separate stages throughout the fairgrounds, and there is a concert every night featuring a different artist.
All right, Sawyer, so our time is getting closer to the end of the day, and I think we are ready to just go see Sasha and just end the day. But what has been your favorite thing to do here at the Tulsa State Fair?
I liked going through the section that had all of the merchandise that was made by local people here around Oklahoma, around Tulsa. We found some really, really cool shirts, got some stickers, met some really cool people. I also very, very much enjoyed the worst, that is the bratwurst, and I like that they ended by saying, we'll see you at Oktoberfest, because I am definitely going to go to Oktoberfest to get one of those.
Very nice.
But seeing all the animals was fun. Seeing people riding the rides. I'm not really a big ride person, but there's definitely a lot of people out here enjoying their rides, and the food was good. It was a good day.
It was a good day. If the Tulsa State Fair is an event that you would like to bring your family to, whether it's this 11-day span in 2024, or if you're interested in coming next year in 2025, we will drop the link for the Tulsa State Fair in our description, so you can just go down there and click it and get all the information you need. There are a lot more things that we didn't actually get to see because time just went by so fast, but there are a lot more things to see here, but go ahead and check that link.
Adventurers, these two old folks are calling it a day. We are exhausted. We've had a lot of fun, a lot of food, a lot of excitement, a lot of entertainment, and a lot of other things on our first trip to the Tulsa State Fair.
If you enjoyed this adventure, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Threads.
Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on our next adventure.